protocol, it would potentially make more sense to do it with our smart stand, our guided Pipette Plus system, which we can definitely do. So we can take the same protocol that we just made. It's opening up right now. So again, you see we have the same steps: dispense, dispense. We have dispensing the 90, and we're going from in the repetitive mode to all of these wells here. Save step. We can again click on execute. And now instead of choosing the Andrew Plus for a fully automatic solution, we'll click on the Pipette Plus. Pipette Plus immediately it's now communicating. It's saying, hey, I have these pipettes ready. I'm good to go. It will take about 1 minute time. This is the serial number of the Pipette Plus. Click on that. Like before, all the materials that we'll need. Start the experiment. And once this is good to go, so now all the information is being communicated to the smart stand that we have set up here. And then we'll just switch camera again so you can actually see it in action. So you see one of the first things, it's saying is take the flashing pipette. Take the pipette that's flashing. That's this green pipette right here. I'm just going to follow the directions or the instructions that are on the screen. Now it's saying insert tip. Okay, I will insert the tip. There we go, 5 ml tip. Aspirate 5 milliliters. I have my Falcon tube right here. Note that I only have to click on one button. So like this. You see it says 5 milliliters. I didn't have to say any volume. This is all adjusted by OneLab itself. I will now dispense into my reservoir. Dispense. Simple click again. And I just look at the screen to follow the next step. Now we're going to purge the tip. And we're going to do one more aspiration. Aspirate one more time the 5 ml, just like Andrew did as well. Click. There we go, 5 ml. We will dispense it to our reservoir. We will purge the tip, and by all means, I'm no expert at pipetting. And what the smart stand allows me to do is to pipette very reproducibly and error-free because I'm fully guided by the OneLab software. If I even talk and I don't know where I left off, it's okay because I can look at the screen. I can say, okay, eject the tip. Click, one click. Okay. I will put the pipette back on the stand. Doesn't matter where, anywhere is good. And then the next step will pop up. The next step is take the flashing pipette. In this case, it's the multi-channel. I'll take the multi-channel right here. I will insert the tips, as OneLab is telling me to do. There we go. Aspirate from my reservoir, which is right here. It's a big amount. It's 270 because we will repetitively dispense in the microplate. So here you see we go to column 1. So here, column 1, simple click. Now it says 180, meaning there's 90 in column 1. You go to column 3. And then we go to column 5 as well. Purge the tip, so we're going to remove the excess into our reservoir. One simple click. And we're going to eject the tip back in the waste. And I'm going to put the pipette back on the stand. And this was just another way to execute the exact same protocol that my friend Andrew does right here. If we then have a look at the screen again, we can see exactly how long it took, all the materials that were used. We can click on Validate Report, and again, everything is logged in time for forever. One of the last things I'd like to show you is here in the sales lab, we have various devices that are connected to OneLab. So you see here, for example, various Andrew Plus robots. These are all over the globe. This means that the protocol we just made together, we can execute in Singapore, we can execute in Boston, in San Francisco, The same with our pipetting plus stands as well. And you see here, for example, we have a connected shaker that we can use either with our smart stand or with our Endo Plus robots. So I hope this demonstration gave you